Mr. Martian did find a living object on Earth. This car is a living organism because it possesses all of the characteristics of a living thing. These cars respond to their environment. As Mr. Martian said, these cars stopped or slowed down when the cars in front of it slowed down. This demonstrates cars responding to their environment. These cars also reproduce because many of these cars appear to have parts that are similar to other cars. This also demonstrates that they pass on their traits to their offspring. They also maintain homeostasis because their temperature inside changes depending on the temperature outside. For example, when it's hot out, the temperature inside of the car cools, but when it is cold out, the temperature inside of the car warms. This demonstrates homeostasis. These cars also grow and change because all of the cars look different on the highway, so they must be changing since all of the cars are different sizes and colors. Cars also have DNA because DNA is the map of how the car works, and each car contains a blueprint of how the car was built and how it works. Cars contain cells because each part of the car is a different cell, meant to operate in a different way. In addition, Mr. Martian stated that the cars seem to feed on a liquid substance. This demonstrates the car's ability to eat and obtain energy. Therefore, Mr. Martian did perform his duties to find a living being on the planet Earth.
Mr. Martian didn't find a living object on Earth. This car is not a living organism because it does not possess all the characteristics of a living thing. These cars don't respond to their environment. The reason these cars slow down when other cars in front of them slow down is because of the living beings inside of them. Cars have no way to reproduce on their own. Said living being created them. Although the car's temperature changes depending on what the temperature is on the outside, the car is not directly responsible for this change. The living beings inside of them turn a knob which signals to the car that the temperature must be changed. It is true that these cars consume a liquid substance, however, the cars do not seem to use this substance for growing. They use it as energy. Also, the car does not seem to consume any nutrients, and so it doesn't grow.